Hi, my name is Taylor West. This is my second session into my master's degree. Um, so I'm taking my third and fourth course right now. I plan on graduating June of 2020. Um, what I would like to do with my degree, um, I work with children and families right now in behavioral health, and I probably want to stay working with children and families, obviously. But I would like to look into more of certification in play therapy as well as forensic interviewing with children, so something along that nature. Um, to get out of this course, I would like to um, sorry, my dogs are running. Um, Learn more, I suppose, about cultural competency and more diversity. And I think it's really good for therapists to be more open-minded and become aware of all the differences and perspectives and how that can affect our therapy. So I'm hoping that this course kind of delves into that a little bit.